Wizards. Modules are like your secret code diaries, sweetie, letting you organize functions in files like mymodule.py. Import them with import mymodule to reuse AI logic across projects. We'll show you how to create and use modules in our demos.
Anastasia, darling, why are modules so irresistible for AI?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Modules keep AI code tidy and reusable, like storing data processing logic for easy access. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the coding chemistry. Wizards libraries are collections of modules, like NumPy for math or Pandas for datasets, ready to turbocharge your AI projects. Install them with pip install NumPy and import with import NumPy. They're your go-to for efficient AI coding, and we'll demo their magic.
Anastasia, libraries are like the hottest AI tools in town. NumPy crunches numbers, and Pandas organizes data like a dream. Get ready to fall for these libraries in our demos, Wizards.
Wizards installing libraries is a breeze with pip install NumPy or pip install Pandas in your terminal. It's like inviting the coolest AI tools to your coding party. We'll use these in our demos to make your AI projects sparkle.
Once installed, import them with import NumPy as NP to crunch data or import Pandas as PD for datasets. Libraries like these are essential for AI, and we'll show you how to set them up. Get ready to code like a pro, Wizards.
Yo, Wizards, importing modules is like summoning your AI superpowers. Use import NumPy as NP to bring in number crunching magic, or from my_module import my_function for your own code. I'm gonna make this import party wild in our demos.
Ethan, you're making imports sound so fun. How do we import just one function from a module, cutie?
Oh, Olivia, you're stealing the show. Use from module import function to grab one spell, like from math import sqrt. Watch me break it down with swagger in our demo, Wizards.
Wizards, NumPy is your go-to library for AI math. With npots array and emp.mean, you can process data like a pro, perfect for neural networks or feature analysis. We'll use NumPy in our demo to crunch AI data.
NumPy's so dreamy, Anastasia. Its arrays make AI calculations fast and fabulous, like finding the mean of a dataset. Get ready to swoon over NumPy in our demos, Wizards.
Wizards Pandas is your AI dataset crush. With pd.dataframe, you can organize data into tables, and dfdescribe gives you stats like magic. We'll flirt with Pandas in our demo to analyze AI data, darlings.
Pandas is perfect for AI datasets, Wizards. It handles structured data for tasks like pre-processing or analysis. Get ready to master Pandas in our demo and make your AI projects shine.